We're going to give you an overview of how to set up Apple CarPlay on the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay Interface Upgrade Kit. Today we're on a 2014 to 2019 4Runner, but this little tutorial is going to be broadly applicable to any of our models. As you can see, once you boot up your car with the interface kit installed, this screen will come up. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone, click on the Settings app, and then open the Bluetooth menu. You'll be looking for a device labeled Car with 4 number digits that will be unique. Go ahead and click on that device and it'll start to pair. The pairing code should match the code shown on the screen. Click Allow to sync contacts, and you'll get a couple more prompts usually. Use CarPlay, go ahead and click that. And then for, sometimes you'll get a final prompt, allow to check for apps, and that's if you have any extra apps on your phone that may appear on the CarPlay screen. Then CarPlay will now be configured.